Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the gasket and alignment because a bad seal or uneven fridge causes most closure issues. Check the rubber gasket for cracks, dirt, or folds and wipe it clean. Make sure the cabinet sits level, use a bubble level front to back and side to side, then adjust the front feet. Remove any items pressing on the door or shifting shelves so the door can swing freely. Once done, test closing gently to observe where it sticks or gaps. Now you address the hinge and fit because slight misalignment prevents seal contact. Start by loosening top and bottom hinge screws enough to move the door. Reposition the door so gaps are even top to bottom, then red-eye-tin. If the door still sags, raise or lower the adjustable feet to change tilt. For persistent misalignment, inspect hinge hardware for bends or stripped threads. Replace worn hinges with matching parts. Once adjusted, close the door slowly and watch the gasket engage evenly around the frame. Finish by ensuring the seal truly contacts the frame because even small gaps let air in. If the gasket is intact but misshapen, soak a towel in warm water and press the gasket into position to reform the lip. Allow to cool and retest. Use the dollar bill test at several spots. If the bill pulls out easily, the seal is weak there. Finally, if you still have uneven contact or broken hardware, document model and serial, and contact a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.